Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Noisy bastard. Welcome back everybody to another episode of It A Bit. So I'm back out with G-Man, Strudderz. He's going to take me around Cafilfi, show me the area. Oh. I got it from TK Maxx. Like, I've been to Cafilfi before and stuff. This area definitely jogs my memory. I've definitely rode around here before, roughly. Not entirely, but I actually still don't.
No, God, you know back brake is fun.
Fucking cunt. My fucking mirror! My fucking mirror! That's a banging castle, mate! Believe it or not, I actually done my test up in here, up in this area. Yeah, with you know, by Bedwas. There's like a, yeah, down by him. Is there? Yeah, he took me around by there, down on that road, and then through town.
I must seize this opportunity for.
Oh yeah. Let me roll behind you, man.
For a pano.
Oh guys, my MOT has failed. I have to go home just to fucking grab. So I need to grab my chain sprockets. I need to grab my disc brake pads as well. And then basically, anyways, a bit pissed off now because I've got to get the parts and then come back down. Fucking missus is tamping. So a bit more money to fork out now. I've got to look online now quickly, see what brake disc rear disc I can buy to sort out. Fucking parachute here. Hopefully I get it sorted as soon as possible now. Nights now for the next 4 shifts, so ideally it's not something I want to do really, but you know, it is what it is. Hate MOTs already.